Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfar and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a subdomain under your main domain in your Bluehost account. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So if you're excited to learn, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Bluehost account. Once you are logged into your Bluehost account, head towards the domain part, and from here there you have option for subdomains. Click on this, and then here you will see that if you have any of the subdomains already uh, assigned in your account. I already have created couple of subdomains there. I want to create one more subdomain. So what you need to do is to simply click on this add subdomain. Once you click there, add the prefix for domain. For this purpose I'll add web design, and then you'll have to select a domain. I have many domains available here. I'll choose a domain, and then make sure you keep it empty. Do not write anything here, just write the prefix for your domain and then choose a domain and simply click on add subdomain. Once you will click on add subdomain, the Bluehost will start creating a subdomain for you, and you will see this notification that your subdomain is ready. Nice work. So here's the subdomain that we have created. Now what we need to do is to install the WordPress on this subdomain. So what I'll do is to click on this my sites option, and then from here I'll click on this create site. From here we'll have to write the name for your site, and then you can add the tagline for your domain. So in this purpose we are going to use the subdomain that we have just created, that is webdesign dot. I don't want these plugins. I'll keep the directory empty, and then hit next. Once you hit next, it will ask you to hold tight while we set up your site. This may take a few minutes to load. So let's just wait a few minutes and let's see if the WordPress will get installed on our website. Let's just check the website URL in a new tab. This is just a subdomain that we have created, and here you can see that the WordPress is installed there. If I click on log into WordPress, you can see the WordPress is loading here, and ta-da, here is the WordPress on one of your site domain subdomains. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.